So if you're new to Facebook or have never made a Facebook page, you may ask, do I really need a Facebook page? So what I love about Facebook pages are that they're an instant connection to your audience, an instant connection to your customer. So this is a great place to connect and interact and share stories and share relevant info about your brand. So ultimately, this Facebook page gives you that voice. And you can build your reputation instantly with fast customer service, reaching new markets with this Facebook page, growing a new social clout of following and likes with this Facebook community all in one place on your Facebook page. What I love is the instant feedback. Say for one of my clients, they're launching a new line and they're unsure about one style versus the other. Post some mock-ups of the images on your Facebook page and ask your current customers to vote which one they prefer, which one they like, which one they would buy. So besides all these great things about building a community, there are a lot of additions that Facebook is constantly rolling out. So you have the opportunity to post events, integrate various apps. Some people I know don't even have a .com. They just sell products via their Facebook page because of the apps available enabling that. Then Facebook pages are also great for polling your audience, like I said, or running contests and different promotions. So at the end of the day, what is a Facebook page? It's basically a specific page on Facebook that enables you to capture your specific audience via a like. So every time you get a like, these people are now liking your page and accepting what you post to show up in their newsfeed. Now this percent is actually lowering. Organically, only 10 to 20% of what you post will show up in your audience's newsfeed. But as I'll explain later, there's promotions and various other things we can do to increase the visibility of your post. So a common question we get is, what is the difference between a Facebook profile and a Facebook page? A Facebook profile is your personal Facebook profile on Facebook.com. This is for sharing content with your friends and family, but you do need a personal Facebook profile to create a Facebook page. But these are totally separate and not linked in any way. Your personal friends will not see the page you created unless you invite them to it. So a Facebook page is a specific web page on Facebook to build a fan following, to create ads for, and promote as your business. So you need this Facebook page to create ads. You need it to grow your business following. So again, this is not publicly linked. Your personal profile is separate from your business page. So log into your personal Facebook account. Then you can navigate directly to the Create a Facebook page here, facebook.com/pages/creation, or click that menu button in this menu pop-up under the Create section, select Page. On the Create a Page, name your page, select a category, and fill out the description. So welcome to your new Facebook page. So before you can start growing your brand on Facebook and creating Facebook ads, you need to build and optimize your Facebook page. Now, the first thing I want to teach you is customizing your Facebook page username. This is important as this username appears as your custom Facebook URL. So it is facebook.com/your-username. Claiming this vanity URL will help people find you and remember your brand. So my rule of thumb for creating a username is continuity with my brand name. So for my brand, Coursenvy, I want that username on every social media site, platform, service, and so on. I want people to easily find me from website to website, and therefore continuity in my username on Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, and even my domain, Coursenvy.com, is all around the keyword Coursenvy. So this not only builds my brand name, but it also makes it easy for customers to remember my page name, and my URLs. You can continue taking this course and access all of our Coursenvy courses at modmba.com.